resonate with the verse Romans 8:28 so much. And it says, "And in all things in life, God works for the good of those who love Him and who have been called according to His purpose." With all the struggles that we went through and that we will probably go through, alam ko na everything is according to His plans. May purpose siya and you just have to believe in His purpose. Hello, I am Mark Buenafe, 37 years old, marketing coordinator based here in Ontario, Canada. And this is my MX3 story.
Hi, Ma.
Hello po.
Naku, ang ganda rito sa inyo. Tingnan mo naman yung view natin sa likod, Niagara Falls, and we are blessed by a good weather.
Yes, exactly. Maganda po yung weather.
Alam mo, excited ako sa kwento mo. Back home, isa kang writer, and at the same time, nasa creative ka, you're producing content, no? And for me, it was gratifying. Bakit mo naisip pa na mag-migrate here in Canada?
Well, lagi namang sinasabi ng parents, I think, na it's for the welfare of the kids. At yun din po talaga yung naging main motivation namin. Siyempre, we want the best for them. Best education that they can ever get. And yeah, that's why we're here, still pursuing our dream.
What's the big difference, yung buhay mo rito at buhay mo sa Pilipinas?
Napakalaking adjustment po talaga. Kasi I could say we were living comfortably. Wala namang kulang sa Pilipinas. Naghahangad lang kami ng better para sa mga anak namin. And malaki po talaga yung adjustment kasi unang-una sa chores. Dati may mga kasambahay kami na tumutulong sa amin sa mga araw-araw. Uuwi ka ng bahay, everything is ready. Dito, you have to do everything. We knew that it's gonna be hard, but
Iba yung aktual.
iba yung nandun ka na sa moment na yun na na-shock din kami na minsan kine-question din namin yung sarili namin na did we actually make the right decision to come here? Pero yeah, lalaban ka lang for your dreams. Yeah.
So ngayon, you are a marketing coordinator and you're handling 6 hotels and 7 restaurants, tama ba?
Yeah.
So ano yung basically daily grind mo?
On average, it's a 9 to 5 job. Ang ginagawa namin is we market the hotel, so it's a lot of coordinations with OTAs, and then we also have our own websites na we make sure na it's giving the right information to the guests. So it's an easy job, but it can be overwhelming, especially during low season. Pagka winter, that's when we really grind and make sure na bumibenta pa rin yung mga properties namin.
So with that tight schedule, Mac, paano mo na-assist yung mga bata? Of course, yung relationship nyo ding mag-asawa, how do you go forward?
With me and my wife, ano talaga kami, tag team talaga kami. We always say na we always achieve greater heights because it's us together.
So that's make life easy.
Yeah. Yeah. When you have that partner, parang feeling mo you can just go through whatever. And sorry, medyo nagiging emotional ako on this part. Pero iba talaga kapag you have that
Right.
kasangga mo talaga in everything. Sobrang yeah. Nakakatuwa na I have that I have her in me.
On a personal note, every time you pray, ano bang binubulong mo sa Diyos?
Hinihiling ko is good health for everyone in the family. Kasi wala lahat ng pinaghirapan namin kung hindi naman kami healthy individuals. With all the struggles that we went through, everything is according to His plans. You just have to believe in His purpose.
So, puntahan naman natin ngayon yung MX3. Paano mo nalaman yung MX3 capsule?
It was a friend who introduced me sa MX3. Since then, talagang tinitake ko na siya every morning together with my hypertensive medicine. And naramdaman ko talaga yung difference. Kasi when I started drinking MX3 capsule, I've been feeling like in my optimum state.
That's a good decision because according to the studies, it is clinically tested, the MX3 capsule, and it really helps lower bad cholesterol and it stabilizes the blood sugar level. So just continue using it with your medication. Thank you so much and always delight the Lord because ang promise niya, delight me and I will give you the desires of your heart. So nothing to worry about.
MX3, dito ako bilib.